Good morning, guys. Welcome to day one. This is our new place, but it is an absolute mess right now. Unpacking everything. I'm basically we have really nothing. We get some protein and my Gatorade for the morning. Literally, guys, we have nothing in here other than some grapes that I'm gonna snack on today. I swear I bought a Gatorade. I guess I didn't. So, protein, water, and we're gonna jump online to trade. So guys, what is up? It's right before the market is open. As you can see, I got one iMac back here. I just got this one set up. I actually just got the desk set up last night, but just got this set up this morning. And then we have an array. We have the other computer that I'm actually gonna trade on. Grapes. Something that I've got asked a couple of times now actually, is right here so I have a protein shake every morning because I'm not big on breakfast. Some of you guys know that already, but in life everything comes with attitude. So I use two products. I believe in exercise a lot, just keeping yourself up to date, but I don't want to go on a whole rant on that. So I just use a couple products. Even if you don't work out, even if you don't do anything, you literally just sit on the couch all day, nothing, I would recommend a multivitamin. You don't have to use this one. You can literally go and get a one a day from Walmart. Highly recommend that. If you're a young kid, definitely getting it. It will definitely help. My other one is creatine. Now I do work out. I do use this one. I do cycle on and off. There's a lot of studies saying that you don't have to cycle off. Usually I will use it for 3 to 4 months and I'll take a week off, and it allows myself to kind of refresh. But those are just kind of things that you do. I also usually have some sort of fruit. I got grapes over here this morning. It's just kind of one of those things that you try to stay on top of things. So with that being said, I got some work here to do this morning. I'm going to trade over here. I'm listening to ESPN. I muted it for this video so I don't get copyrighted or any other thing. With that being said, I got the dog underneath of me over here. She just loves being with me. So with that being said, guys, we're going to jump in here, get some work done, and I will see you guys when I'm literally done trading. Guys, I am already done trading, and today was a picture freaking perfect trade. I can't make this up. I was watching Seinfeld over here while trading this. That's how easy this play was. Now you'll get to that point eventually. I don't assume you guys are going to be watching Seinfeld like I do while trading stocks. I kind of listen to it more while I pay attention to trading. But SINT, this over here, we're going to jump onto the computer. We're going to go from here, jump onto the computer, do a recap, and explain to you guys what exactly happened, because this was just an amazing trade, guys. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Let's go. Guys, here we are. So you already are in this video with me. So what happened with SINT? Now, with this being said, we do got some stuff going on later in the day that's going to be involved with this series, but this morning was more of a I don't have to work. We're just going to straight up trade and do everything normal. So SINT, guys, I called it out in the chat room. Let's pull it up. Guys, I'm going to prove this to you guys. I called it before it happened. I knew it was happening, guys. Let me see if this will pull up real fast for you guys. I don't want this part of the video to be super, super long, guys. But it was just an absolute great play. And while that loads, I'm going to take you guys here. So I saw, not only was this going to be resistance, but I saw this as a big resistance, because it almost stopped here. It did stop there. I'm just going to show you guys my alerts. Right here. I sold at 3 guys here. This guy's ended up running to 329. So another quarter I could have made. But I didn't. This one is here, this one is here. And then I called this one, boom, SINT breakout. And then boom was later because it just started flying. So there's that part of it. We want to take a closer look here It didn't quite make it here, but there was a wick here that gave me something. This is a 2-minute, 10-day chart. So I just want to show you guys that. It did break it, but it came back down. That's really what scared me. And then it didn't make it back up. It fell down and it slowly just keeps 1, 2, 3. I'm either thinking this right here is going to have to be a breakout point for me. I'm obviously seeing from here to here in this range, you can make 20 cents right there to the 280 mark. So as soon as it breaks this is when I'm really wanting to enter, and that's what I did. As soon as it got to 260, I entered. I think my entrance was 261 and 262 is my average. So it came down here, and instantly it did, of course, come down just a smidge, and then it just popped. And as soon as it got here, I knew we were off to the races. Look at these candles, guys. Just clean candles on the 2-minute chart. It's not like this is a 5-minute chart, and they're all just big. And we can compare them real fast, because I do use 5-minute charts when it gets down to here, or when it gets later in the day. So once it hits 10 o'clock, I switch to 5-minute charts. So again, 10-minute, 2-day charts, or 2-minute candles, 10-day chart. My bad. And this thing just flies. Now here, I was thinking about taking profit here, but again, you see that it just kind of fluctuated for just a few seconds here and here, and I was still up big, so it didn't really matter. And then this one just flew. Now whole dollars are my thing. So if it gets to a whole dollar, I'm trying to sell. I sold at 3. Literally had my orders already sent in at $3, and I was probably the problem when it was trying to break that $3 and get above it, because I was sending all my shares trying to get filled at 3, and I literally got filled on all my shares at $3, and it was great for me. So you guys looking, I'm getting in here at 262 and 261 and 263 maybe max. I don't think I got a share filled at 263. I believe it was 261 and 262. And then I wrote it to $3, guys. That's almost 40 cents a share, guys. And I had quite a few shares here because it's only $2.60. So why wouldn't I load up on several of them here, guys? So boom, we got up to $3. I could have made more, but here's the problem, guys. When you get to these whole dollars, a lot of the times they'll try to bounce and then they'll fall back down. This one didn't. It went through it, and that's awesome for anybody that held through it. But this was just a clear breakout, and if it wasn't a breakout here, it definitely becomes a breakout there. And even then, you can still make money from $2.77 to $3. You're still making 20 cents a share. I mean, that's awesome, guys. I mean, your long-term stuff, how long does it take to get 20 cents a share on a lot of it? And look, we're here. It's testing $3 again now. Now, it doesn't. I'm not trading it again, but this was great. For any of you that sees the partially delayed data, it is real time. Futures and options, I don't mess with. Forex and other, I just don't. So with that being said, this was just an absolutely awesome play here for this one. It was the simplest breakout buy. Look at that. It just popped again. It's going to try to touch this 329 to 330. I got a feeling is what it's trying to push to again. We'll see if it does or not. But this was just an absolute easy breakout buy, guys. Boom. And there it goes. As I'm recording this live, guys, you can't make this up. It's just another breakout buy. Now, I don't like buying the second breakout. Yes, it could go to the moon today. We do have news on it here at 9:44, 78 up 78% on NASDAQ compliance, and you got a bunch of other little things here. But it was just an absolute gigantic win this morning for me, guys, and I'm super happy. It just hit 347, that new high. So with that being said, guys, we're going to jump through. I'm going to take you guys through what I'm doing now to get, like what I said, going and getting a day job while doing this and taking care of everybody. Guys, I'm just sick and tired of everybody saying you can't do it. So what am I doing? I'm going to prove everybody wrong twice in my lifetime. Not only have I already done it once, we're going to prove them wrong twice. So with that being said, guys, let's go on ahead, jump back into the vlog, and I will see you guys in just a second. What is up, guys? We are actually got a lot cleaned up in here. Got the dog. I'm actually cooking a pizza in here because we have like no food right now, and I gotta run to Walmart. But I'm gonna go work out here in a little bit. I do have that already set up. My dog, there's a microphone on top of this camera, and she wants to bite it. That's pretty much all she wants to do. But right now, guys, I have great news for you guys. I have landed a sales position. It's for Byrider. It's a huge corporation in America. I'll go over more about that later. I did get hired. I start on Monday. So, Monday would be August 19th is when I am starting that, guys. But right now, I am honestly going to sit back, wait for my pizza to be done, relax. I got my caffeine. I've held off all day on this thing because I knew I was going to need it. I'm going to eat, drink some of this. That way I'm ready and flowing. Because then I'm going to go work out, have my post-workout meal, and then go get some groceries and stuff because my girlfriend's out work right now. But right now I'm watching QB1's trailer for this season. It comes out tomorrow. I'll plan on watching it before I start work on Monday. Not going to lie. But yeah, guys, kind of a boring day overall after trading and everything in the morning. I ain't got a whole lot to do. My dog is being a butthead and barking at nothing. Probably need to have this all cleaned up before I go into work on Monday, so I'll make sure I get that done. That being said, guys, I'm going to chill out, relax for a little bit, and then I'm going to take you guys with me for the rest of my day. That's what I plan on doing for the next year to build this and everything else. So with that being said, I'm going to go get my dog to shut up, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. What is up, guys? Good morning. It is the 16th, 9:36. I'm already done trading. That's how fast these past 2 days were. The same exact setups, basically the same exact strategy, guys. 2 days in a row. It doesn't always happen, but God, it was easy money. We got in, we got out. I'm going to literally show you guys this. I'm not going to show the recap in this one because it was the exact same one that I've already showed you before in this video. I'm going to put these 2 days together. You guys kind of already know that. But I'm going to show you guys this really, really fast. So, the exact same setup. You guys may see it, you may not see it. But it was literally the exact same setup. But we're going to do that. I'm going to hop on a phone call with some guys. And I got Grant Cardone back here in the back because the man's going to be a legend. Him and the Wolf of Wall Street are talking about sales and stuff like that. You can never learn enough. I'm going into sales, so I'm kind of brushing up, doing things, understanding, getting every edge that I can, guys. That may be what separates me from other people is I get a job and I don't just go, sweet, I got a job, and then go play Xbox for the next 3 days. I get a job, I do research, I understand how it works. I want to be the guy that they hire and they go, holy crap, he already understands it. That's just kind of how I work. I want to understand how the business works. I want to understand how the money works. I want to understand everything I possibly can to help my customers do in the best case possible. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to jump off here. I believe Brady, one of my best friends, is coming up to hang out here in a little bit today. So I got to get some more work done, and I will see you guys in the next clip. What is up, guys? I got my gallon of water over here. I also picked up some Powerade Zeros yesterday. They actually don't taste bad. I just want something to taste. But my dog is now going nuts. I don't know why she's been like this. But right now we are watching a new Netflix thing called QB1. I love this show. I've watched all the seasons. I'm on my third one, almost at the very end of it already, and it came out today. I'm trying to relax and enjoy things before we move on to, I go to work every day because that's going to take some time to get used to. I don't get to watch my Netflix. I don't get to do all the things that I just randomly do. I don't get to play my midday game of Xbox that I normally play. So it's going to be something a little bit different. I'm going to try to go out today, get some footage with you. Like I said before, I got a friend coming over. So hopefully we can have some fun, hang out and play some games. And yeah, guys, really just kind of relaxing. before Monday. I go in at 9 a.m. So I'll take you along there. I probably won't post a video after this unless we actually do something. So we'll see you guys in the next thing we do.